So y'all, yes, I'm still at the motherfucking.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe.
Good morning, guys. So today's Tuesday and it's my last day in Lisbon. I'm just sitting here. I'm probably not gonna leave until around like 6 to get to the airport. So I got a lot of time. I got like 6 hours. So I'm gonna go eat and go to this market, and then I might just stay in this area. I was gonna try to go to Central, but I'm just gonna have to do that when I come back because I don't think I'm gonna have enough time to do all that and then get back all the way this way. So let's get going so we don't waste no more time. I'm just wearing this little turtleneck with these brown pants and my Yeezys.
Tira os óculos.
Thank you.
E tira os óculos, tira a volta, sem óculos.
I don't know any Portuguese.
Tem óculos.
Oh, take the glasses off.
Tem que tirar, né?
Oh, sure. Thank you. Okay, so y'all see firsthand the way I be embarrassing myself. I really be in the streets doing this by myself. Like, let's look at the pictures these men took. I wish I could have got them on the camera. Like, it was 2 old men and they just stopped and asked me like, let me do it. So I'm like, okay. Oh, he did such a good job, bro. Like, wow. So I'm going to walk now and go eat. At this Asian restaurant, and then I'm just gonna go to the market, and then whatever happens after that, it happens. I made it to the Pink Street. I'm gonna ride the tram 28 from this side to the flea market, and then I think this has been a very eventful trip. And then the hot pak choy, and I'll do a veggie pad thai.
Vegetable pad thai to the final, yeah?
Yes. I'm thinking of maybe a white wine. What do you recommend as far as drinks or cocktails?
With this food, like it's a little bit spicy and sweet, it's gonna be fine. White wines, piano, it's a wine from Douro, very sweet.
Okay.
Or Três Bagos, it's from Douro too, but it's like more fruity.
Okay.
Or a cocktail.
Or a cocktail, that's what I was thinking. Okay, I think I'm gonna start with the piano white wine.
Okay.
So I just made it to this Asian restaurant. It's so pretty and the food looks good, so I just ordered a whole bunch of different stuff. So we're gonna see what it's giving. Because I don't know how to eat with chopsticks. Oh, this is good. It's kind of sour. This is good, but I could have went without these.
I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah.
Hey y'all, so I'm not gonna lie, I kind of hated my food, but I came across this really nice market. I ended up just getting a donut, but this really nice market that has like different restaurants, and I wish I just ate here because they have so many different things that I would have liked to eat. Like, I'm actually annoyed, but it's okay. So I'm just going to have my donuts before I head out. This is a big donut, bro. This is like the same size as my head. What the hell? I really regret eating at that restaurant. The food, I'm not gonna lie, they have a nice menu, but maybe I just didn't pick the right stuff. So it's going on 4 o'clock. I'm gonna go. There's like a, I think this is the beach area or water or something. I'm gonna go over here first. And then I'm gonna ride the tram to the flea market. It's so cool. It's just people just out here chilling, bro. Like, just living life, man. I love it here. I don't want to leave. I'm sad. But I'm about to just enjoy the sun for a minute, and then I'm gonna head to the flea market because it's 4 o'clock. I need to take my COVID test. I probably should have did this before I left. I have to take my COVID test to get back home.
I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay.
So I just rode the Tram 28, which is like the touristy. Hello. I don't speak Portuguese, I'm sorry. I can't speak English. What do you want? Can I help you? I'm okay. No, thank you. Smoke one. Bro, I don't want to smoke one with you. Oh my God. You don't need to pay. If you like, you can pay a little bit. It's okay. It's okay, thank you. And his little Scooby-Doo scooter. Rode the Tram 28 and I was struggling. Like, first of all, I did my last hike of the day. That's the last hill. Oh shit, that's the last hill I'm gonna be walking on. But this girl, I saw that her bag said something about America, and so I just asked her, like, do I need to buy a ticket or something to get on the tram? And she was just like, honestly, I don't really know, but I was gonna ask him because the tram was approaching. And so he said I needed cash, and she literally paid for me. So thank you, girl, who I'll never see again. I'm just headed to this flea market. I spent way more time than I should have at the beach, but it was just warm and nice, and the sun is setting. It looks like people are packing up to leave, but I'm still gonna try to walk around and see what I can see before I head back to my place. So, oh yeah, people are packing up, damn. I'm still gonna try to buy something though.
I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you.
So I'm just get some cash so I can actually buy something. Probably only get like 20 euros out. I told my mama I would buy her some tiles, so let's see. I saw this cute thing that I could put my jewelry on. It's like a hand, so I might buy that too. So I came to the flea market and it's huge. Like, it goes all the way from like all the way up that hill to like all around here. Like, people are everywhere, just set up selling their stuff. So I just came back to Rocio Square one last time to walk around and just have an evening stroll. And I also want to get souvenirs. And I want to go to this one place that my tour guide told me about yesterday, and then that's gonna be the end of it. That's a film store. I wonder if they open. Let's see. It's a film store, and I kind of want to go in, but are they even open? What do I need out of here? I don't need nothing out of here. So I don't need nothing out of here, but I'm just becoming obsessed with cameras now and film. And I thought he might have something cool. He does have some cool Polaroids and Fuji films though. But I don't know if that says 20 euros, 30 euros. I'm gonna to get it. Hold on. Okay. You see, this is how you get stuck and have to book a hotel because you out here just bullshitting.
Okay, alright, that's fine.
Okay, so I got the shots. Let's see what it's talking about. I got the one with fruit. I think it's cherries. Smells like liquor. I wish I had a chaser, but I don't know. I wonder, do you eat the cherry? I don't know. Let me just take a sip. Oh my god, that is so nasty. Should I just drink it still? They said you're just supposed to sip it, not take it like a shot, but I think I'm just going to take it like a shot because it's actually not good. It's not bad, but it tastes like cough syrup, but sweet. Fruity flavored cough syrup. Okay, bro, because it's time for me to go. It's 6:30 and I still gotta go get my luggage before I head to the airport. It's just gonna take 30 minutes. So shots up. Here's to an amazing trip in Lisbon. I had a great time and to many more memories with you guys. So cheers. It's not so bad when you do it like all at once, but it is still nasty. I wouldn't, that's not my drink of choice. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab some postcards. So y'all, yes, I'm still at the motherfucking
level 4 departure.
y'all. Okay, so tell me why I done missed my fucking flight. And it's not because I got here late, nothing like that. I wasn't rushing, but I didn't know. Okay, before I came, I had to pay for the COVID test to leave and come here, and a COVID test to come back into the UK, right? So I'm thinking, okay, cool. If I'm negative for COVID coming back into the UK, then if I'm negative for COVID coming back into the UK, then I shouldn't need no nothing else. I should be good. So I didn't know I needed to book a day 2 and a day 8 COVID test. So I got in line to board the flight and she asked me to do the passenger locator form, and I was doing it, and then I was having to book the test then, but I was running out of time. But it's crazy because I got there so early. Like, I got some food, I sat down, I ate. I was even finna like watch Ghost because I didn't have nothing. Like, I was just chilling. They haven't even started boarding. Tell me why. She just said like, oh, like it's too late. But she was really nice about it, so I wasn't really so upset. Like, I really wanted to cry, but it is what it is. Y'all know I was saying that I wanted to stay another day anyway, but this is not how I wanted to stay. Like, I really am tired and I just want to go home. But we here now, so I just got another hotel, and I guess I'll just sort everything out tomorrow. But I'm just really frustrated and exhausted. But I will give y'all the whole scoop when I get to the hotel because my Uber is arriving. So
Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000 pieces. Section need more things in here.
okay, y'all, so I finally made it back to the hotel. Well, to this hotel, checked in, got settled, whatever, and it's like 1 a.m. now, 12 something, whatever. But I'm obsessed. This hotel is so pretty. It was so cheap, y'all. I paid only like 35 pounds for this room for one night. All together, no fees, nothing like that. And it's so nice. It's much bigger and prettier than my other room. So I just want to show y'all because, honey, get into the details. Like, it's the extra decorative pillows for me. It's the fact that this is a real bed. Like, hello. And then let's get into this view, honey. Hold on. because I actually, okay, this is the first hotel that I've seen that lets you open the window, but look at this. I feel like this light is not doing it justice at all. Like, honey, it is lit up out there, honey. Yeah, the light is not doing it justice. Hold on, let me see. Maybe if I turn it down. Okay, there we go. Y'all, it's so beautiful. Like, you can literally see the whole city. Like, damn, this camera is just not doing it justice. Like, okay, here we go. You can literally see everything, y'all. This is an amazing, amazing view. And I'm staying like closer to the airport so I can just wake up. So I'm gonna stay close to, well, I'm staying close to the airport so I can just wake up. And they even have breakfast here, y'all. Like, my last hotel did not even have breakfast, but they have breakfast. So I'm just gonna stay here until I need to head to the airport and then just go straight there because I don't have time. But I'm gonna get everything in order tonight as far as the COVID test and everything like that. And I'll be out of here on the first thing smoking tomorrow because for one, I'm tired, and for two, I'm like literally missing class at this point because I have class tomorrow, like in person. So but anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show y'all the room and kind of like let y'all know that I got settled. But yes, stuck in Lisbon, honey. I am stuck in Lisbon. I am still here. Like, what the fuck? It's all for the best. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I always have this thought that like when something doesn't really work out how you wanted it to, it's really just God keeping you up, I mean keeping you away from something that might have been up ahead, you know, danger or, you know, whatever. Because now that I think about it, I was gonna be getting back to London pretty late and still have to travel pretty far from the airport back to my side of town. So, you know, maybe God was just looking out for me. He want me to be safe, and you never know what could happen on that flight tonight. God forbid if something happened, you know, and he just wanted to save me. So thank you, God. I feel grateful, and I just get to have one more night of luxury and enjoy my own company with this beautiful view in this beautiful room. So I'm not upset. And I guess the vlog continues. Well, this part 2 continues. And I hope y'all been enjoying. I'm not really gonna give y'all much to see tomorrow, but we'll see. Maybe, you never know. So just stay tuned, and I'll see y'all in the morning. Okay, y'all, so finally I'm getting the fuck up out of Lisbon. It's been too real. I'm tired, my head hurt. I don't want to hear from nobody. Like, this is fucking wild. But we're leaving now. I barely made it on this flight because I got here like 40 minutes before the gate closed. And then I did my passenger locator form wrong. Like, y'all, I don't know. My brain has not been working, but solo trip was a success. I had a great time. I really hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Yeah, stay tuned for the next one. It might be something you think. Make sure you hit the like button. Leave a comment down below on what your favorite part of the trip was. And don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.